English language learning tips and tricks. Welcome back to our series on how to learn English. In this video, we're going to share some tips and tricks to help you learn English more effectively. Let's get started. Segment 1, Productivity Tips. Here are some productivity tips to help you make the most of your study time. Set specific goals, break tasks into smaller chunks, use a timer to stay focused. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to language learning. Segment 2, Memory Aids. Here are some memory aids to help you remember new vocabulary and grammar. Flashcards, mnemonics, mind maps. Find what works best for you and use it to help you remember new language concepts. Segment 3, Immersion Techniques. Immersion is a great way to learn a language. Here are some techniques to try. Watch English TV shows and movies, listen to English music and podcasts, speak with native speakers. The more you surround yourself with a language, the faster you'll learn. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.